Hi, I'm Ian Bowman-Henderson, the president of Flare Code.
And I'm Nick Salontay. I'm the CEO of Flare Code.
And today we'd like to talk to you a little bit about the capabilities of our product, Flare. Now, this all starts with a premise. Everything we know and interact with in the world actually exists in two separate realities. In one reality, this poster is just a piece of advertising for the Kennedy Museum of Art. But we also know that this exists in a separate reality, the digital world. In that world, the discussions, contributions, reviews, and information about this poster and this museum and this exhibit actually comprise a separate virtual reality.
Flare is really just a tool for unifying those realities.
It all starts with the Flare Code application and our QR codes, which we allow people to print off and add to any object. We brand our QR codes with the Flare logo to show that they're not just going to get something static or unupdating or ordinary when they scan this QR code, that they're going to be using the Flare system, which allows for a much more rich and fulfilling experience. And so basically what I'll start to do is press the scan button in the Flare Code application, and I'll hold it over the QR code to scan it. It's got it right there. And it brings up the page for the Kennedy Museum of Art, which is what this poster is for. Here we have pictures about the museum, information about it on their About page. We've got an RSS page that has all of their quarterly magazines, and those can be viewed as e-publications right on the phone. We've got aggregated information about the museum from Twitter. Here you see everything that's been tweeted at Kennedy Museum of Art. And then if you click over here, we have their exhibits, information about what's going on at the museum right now, and upcoming information. Down here, we have one of the most awesome innovations of Flare, which is something that allows them to comment right to this exact Flare code, and then those comments can then be viewed by later users. We can accept photos and text. You can share this Flare code to any number of different social networking sites and email. And we also have a favorite button, which adds the Flare to your favorites, so you can come back and check on it later. Up here we have a search button that allows you to search the Flare network for flares you might be interested in. And over here we have the scan button, so you can scan from any page in the Flare app if you find a new code you want to scan. And so I'm just going to go back to the home page now. And as you can see, we've got the scan button with recent nearby scans. We also have your persona on the Flare network, where we give you points basically for interacting with the network and enriching the content that we aggregate. And here we have the My Stuff area, which has flares you've visited and your recent activity. And so that's it. And just with this simple piece of technology, we can really change the world, I think.